Meet Hedy, your AI-powered meeting assistant. Hedy listens to your meetings and provides real-time insights and suggestions, helping you shine in any professional conversation. Whether you're in a business meeting, lecture, or class, Hedy helps you contribute intelligent insights, keeping you one step ahead. Watch as the user taps "Say something smart," and Hedy provides a concise, insightful comment to add to the current conversation. Stuck on a tough question? Hedy helps you formulate impressive answers on the fly, no matter the topic. See how quickly the user can type a question specific to the meeting and receive a thoughtful, well-structured
Hold on,
response.
I'm gonna ping you on this, Cormac, to add
Hedy
a
helps you
top class
spot
point.
critical issues and propose creative solutions
Okay.
others might miss, making you
That's a
stand out in any discussion.
pretty heavy list.
Notice how the Identify Blind Spots feature suggests discussion points that the team
Yeah, this is
hasn't
something we
considered.
can just kind of look at our wins.
Nope.
Take charge of the
Um,
meeting's conclusion with Hedy's help in summarizing key actions and decisions. The Outline Next Steps feature provides a clear, actionable list to wrap up the meeting effectively.
if you missed it, I recommend it. You go like
After your meeting or
yeah.
class, review Hedy's comprehensive summary and full transcript to reinforce your learning and follow up on action items. This feature ensures you never miss crucial information. Hedy, your AI partner for brilliant conversations. Download Hedy now and be the brightest person in the room.